So St. Patrick's Day is coming. I just want to do a quick niche research with you guys to find out what is selling and how we can tweak it to make more sales. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Today's video will be a little bit different. We'll be doing a niche research from Etsy as well as Amazon. We're going to combine the two to find out what designs are selling, how we can tweak the designs to make more sales. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm going to start with Etsy. I was already doing niche research before I decided to make this video. So I already searched for St. Patrick's Day shirt, and here are the designs that came up. So as usual, I always tell you that you should disregard these ones with ads. They're up here for a reason because they paid for it. But if you want to start doing research, start from here. So this one is selling, of course, it's selling because it looks like Minnie Mouse, and I always advise you not to infringe on anyone's copyright. So we're gonna leave the design. We'll jump on to this design. So looking at this design, as you can see, more than 20 people have this in their cart, and people like gnomes. And in this case, the foot gnomes with shamrocks, with the St. Patrick Day hat. So how can we make this design better? How can we tweak this design to make more sales? You know, the pandemic is still on, so anything related to masks, anything related to hand sanitizer is gonna make more sales. So if you wanna make a design similar or better than this, I recommend that you ask, because right now they are not putting on masks. So if you add face masks and you just throw a hand sanitizer by the side, it's gonna be themed to the pandemic, and people always buy something related to the pandemic. That I am sure of. So that's the first design from Etsy. We're gonna go back. This one is just a plain shamrock. Anyone can do this. But like I said before, if you wanna, let me just click it and see if people are actually searching for it. But it's up there for a reason, so I'm very sure that people should be searching for it. What did I say? So, like I said, it's 20 people have this in their carts right now. That's one of the reasons that I like doing niche research from Etsy, is because they tell me the number of people. They tell me if the design is hot or not. But with Amazon, for example, of course, they show us the number of people who have bought it and the number of reviews, but they don't tell us the number of people who want this right now. Yeah. So that's one of the reasons that I prefer doing my niche research from Etsy as opposed to Amazon. But with Amazon, let's take a look at the designs that are selling. This one is sponsored. Let's take a look at these ones are just plain. This girl needs a beer. Huh. This caught my attention. It says this girl needs a beer and it's green. Did you say anything? St. Patrick, there you go, St. Patrick's Day. So, and it's a racer back top. So there you go. So you see, these are the kind of things that you need to do. It's not only t-shirts that you sell. You can also sell racer bags for women. Printful has that. Let me just jump right to Printful and show you. We'll go to, let's see, this is a men's clothing, women's clothing, and crop tops. So they have crop tops for women. If you don't want to go racer back route, there's a crop top. There's tank tops too. So this is what women will want. It's not every time that women want t-shirts. T-shirts are popular, yes, but when you do something different, for example, tank top, racerbacks, or crop tops, people are gonna buy it, especially women. If you niche down, that's the word I was searching for. If you niche down to a particular set of people, you're gonna have less competition. Less competition with the St. Patrick's Day niche, or small sales, because people are doing a lot of buying for the St. Patrick's Day. niching down process and purchase the design equals more sales, and you can sell these designs on Etsy, you can sell it on eBay, you can sell it on Amazon. You just all you need to do is to integrate your store with Printful and you design and post it. And if you have a great design, people should definitely buy it. These are the racerback tank tops because they were just plain tank tops and the racerback tank tops. This one actually says racerback tank top, and the other ones were just plain tank tops. So that's how you get the racerback tank tops. You go to tank tops, you click on it, then you come back down and you click racerback. So that's how it is. That's how you search for it. All right, guys, let's go back to our niche research. So on Amazon, we have this. So many people want it, and the design is very plain. It just says this girl needs a beer. Very easy design. You just get the thumbs, which you can get from Zazzle. I was searching for a mask here. I was doing face masks to make all my designs pandemic related. So I found a face mask here that you can get any vector related to the St. Patrick's Day and you just add a max on it. So this design is very easy to make. This guy needs a beer. You can say it, I need a beer, or this boy needs a beer, or this man needs a beer. Either of them works. And you just change this to a t-shirt instead of a racerback top. And for the hands, just come here to Zazzle. They have all those things. Instead of this face mask, we're just gonna delete that. We're gonna do a hand pointing. I think that should do. Yeah, this is actually the hand that I'm searching for, not this one. So if you take away this one, let's take away this one. Let's put this one. It's like me. So I'm gonna flip this way, yeah, and reduce it. We can change this to any color we want. It can be a white or a red. Okay, let me put this background in a dark background that I'll optimize my design for. So just gonna change this to white, and instead of saying this man needs a beer, you can say I need a beer with a green t-shirt. So we're gonna change this text or add a text. Let's choose this one. I always like the cursive text. I'm gonna change it to white. I need a beer. Double click on it, change to I need a beer. I need a beer. Okay. So I need a beer right here. Just gonna expand it a little bit. So you see, it's not that difficult to create a design. And before you create a design, always check your trademark, check if it's trademarked. And for that, we're gonna go to our trademark. I'm gonna go to just type trademark search. Go to the first one, click trademark, then search trademark. Search our trademark database, basic search, and you search. So I'm going to check for I need a beer. Let's see if anyone has trademarked that. I need a beer. I know I was supposed to check this before making my design, but I'm doing it after I've made my design. Type drawing live. This one just says Julius Hector Yeast White Beer. You know, sometimes this trademark goes and pull trademarks for words that is not even related to yours. Although this one says beer, but it's not related to what I wrote. I wrote I need a beer, but it says Julius Etcher used white beer, something of that sort, but it's not related to what I was searching. So we're good to go. So go back to Zazzle. I need a beer, or if you want to change this to another font, just come here. I like this font as it is. Let's check Amazon and see. This one says this girl needs a beer. You guys should let me know in the comment section below what you think about this design. Is there another way that I should have made it? It's just a test drive. Obviously, I need to work on this more, but let me know in the comment section below what you think about this design. So going back to our search, this design just caught my attention because it was making a lot of sales. It has a lot of ratings, obviously priced at $12.95. So many people are buying it. But anyway, let's go back to our St. Patrick's Day niche research. So scrolling down, if you see a sugar skull like this with a St. Patrick's Day hat and a shamrock on it, I would recommend that you add a max to it, like I was saying before. Look at this, it's just a leggings for women and has these shamrocks on it in different colors, and many people are purchasing it. Look at that. So this, I think in my previous video I showed you how to make a leggings to sell on Etsy. So if you haven't watched that video, I recommend that you do. Something like Yoda with the shamrocks, I don't recommend that you do that. You're gonna be infringing on Star Wars' trademark. So you should be careful when you're taking a look at designs. That's one of the reasons why I like going to Etsy, because Etsy is more of a place for small sellers like you and me. So when I look at a design there, I don't usually come across infringed design, but yeah, some people do infringe on other people's designs, but I don't recommend that you do that. So here are different designs that you can use for. Look at it, it's a pug with a hat. So if you want to do pugs or you want to do breeds of dog, you can change this to a dimension with a St. Patrick's Day hat and change this to a cat. Even a cat will do. You can change this to a rabbit with a St. Patrick's Day hat. So the list is endless, guys. It's just for you to be creative. And look at this one. It just says lucky. And don't forget that you don't only have to do t-shirts. Now it's winter, so many people are looking for sweatshirts. So there's several designs that you can make. The list is endless. I recommend that you do your niche research on Etsy as well as Amazon and make designs that are related to the pandemic. Just add a max, add a sanitizer, and your design should be unique. So that's what I wanted to show you guys for this video. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.